Janice Dickinson recently revealed that she had a facelift at 32 years old. Is that too young to have your first facelift? Although we're seeing a recent trend where patients are getting facelifts younger and younger, I do think 32 is a little bit young to undergo your first facelift. Having said that, there are some certain situations that it may be appropriate, more like patients that may have had massive weight loss or loose skin or other reasons, but in general, that's pretty young to undergo a facelift. In the recent trend, I do see that unlike probably the facelift that Janice went under, we are developing more sort of mini facelifts or vertical lifts or ponytail lifts where they're not as big as surgeries and they are addressing more of just the jowl area here and not in the neck or large incisions. So I think that may be another reason we're seeing a trend of patients doing facelifts a little bit younger. And then I'll also say that we have much better options than we did 35 years ago. Back then, a lot of things weren't available that we have today. There are a lot of non-surgical options that can be done that don't involve going under the knife, such as addressing the jowls. There's things like Morpheus or skin tightening devices. Some people use a little bit of dilute Kybella to dissolve the area by the jowl, but you have to make sure that you're careful there because there's nerves and important structures there. And then there's things like threading. There's dissolvable threading now where they can raise the jowl. So there are a lot of different things that have advanced and evolved since Janice's first facelift. So I think if you're younger and thinking about doing something, just make sure you also explore your non-surgical options before going under the knife.